Hey there, lean leaders and continuous improvement enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. This is our series on building a culture of waste elimination and continuous improvement. I'm Reima Ollila, your friendly neighborhood production manager, and you know what? Today we are diving into two interrelated types of waste, transportation and inventory. Remember my last video about overproduction? Well, it turns out that overproduction is like the annoying relative who shows up uninvited and brings a bunch of friends along. Those friends? They are the wastes we're talking about today. So picture this. You've made too much stuff, which is overproduction. And now you've got to do something with it. That's where transportation and inventory come in. It's like a game of hot potato, but with products, and the music never stops. Let's break it down. First off, transportation waste. This is all about moving stuff around. It's not just the big moves like shipping containers across oceans. It's also the small stuff, like Bob from accounting pushing a trolley of reports to Carol in HR. It's forklifts zooming around the warehouse, trucks on the highway, and even that USB stick making its way from desk to desk. Second, inventory waste. This is the stuff we are moving around. Raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, all taking up space in our factories, warehouses, and stores. It's like my garage, but on a much bigger scale and hopefully more organized. Now here's where it gets interesting. These two wastes are like dance partners. They're always moving together. More inventory, you need more transportation. Or more transportation, you often end up with more inventory buffers along the way. But wait, there's more. All this moving and storing can lead to other problems, like damaged goods, hello defects, hidden quality issues. Try finding a needle in a haystack of inventory. And constant organizing and counting, that's the overprocessing, you know? So what can we as lean leaders do about this dance of waste? Let's explore some ideas. First, start with I. Remember, improvement starts with you. Take a look at your own work. Are you moving things around unnecessarily? Hoarding supplies just in case. Start eliminating these wastes in your own activities. Second, Gemba walks. Get out there and see for yourself. Watch how materials and information flow through your organization. You might be surprised at what you find. Third, ask why. When you see transportation or inventory, ask why it's happening. Is it really necessary? Could it be reduced or eliminated? 4, promote visibility. Encourage your team to make inventory visible, especially for processes involving small items, information, plans, or drawings, things that are typically hard to see. Use visual management tools like Kanban boards for project plans, clear containers for small parts, or digital dashboards for information flow. Remember, we can't manage what we can't see. 5, celebrate small wins. Did someone find a way to reduce a bit of inventory or eliminate a transportation step? Shout it from the rooftops, or at least in your daily team meeting. 6, foster cross-functional understanding. Help your team understand how their actions affect others. That just-in-case inventory might be causing headaches downstream. 7, encourage experimentation. Create a safe space and allow time daily for your team to try new ideas. Not every experiment will succeed, but that's how we learn and improve. 8, lead by example. If you're asking your team to reduce inventory, make sure you're not hoarding office supplies. Walk the talk. Finally, promote proximity. Encourage your team to think about bringing things and people closer together. Could you source from a supplier next door instead of overseas? Could you break down walls between departments and create an open office layout? As a lean leader, could you position yourself right in the middle of your team? Remember, the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line, and that applies to people and processes too. Remember, this is all about continuous learning. I've had a lot of success with lean principles, but I'm still learning every day. Each waste we eliminate teaches us something new and often reveals another opportunity for improvement. In my next video, I'll dive into the wastes of defects and overprocessing, those uninvited guests that transportation and inventory often bring to the party. We'll explore how they impact our operations and, more importantly, what we can do about them. Before you go, here's a challenge for you. This week, try to spot one instance of transportation or inventory waste in your work, just one. Then think about why it exists and what might happen if you eliminated it. Share your insights in the comments. I'd love to hear what you discover. Remember, lean leadership isn't about perfection. It's about creating a culture of continuous improvement where everyone is empowered to spot and eliminate waste. It's a journey, and I'm glad we are on it together. Until next time, keep your eyes open for waste, your mind open to new ideas, and your leadership focused on improvement. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.